Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain how to enable direct deposit on Cash App so you can receive paychecks, government benefits, or other regular payments directly into your account. Direct deposit is one of the most useful features of Cash App because it lets you get paid faster and avoids the hassle of waiting for checks or moving money manually. To set it up, first open your Cash App and go to the Banking tab, which is the little bank or home icon at the bottom of your screen. There, you'll see your Cash App balance along with options for deposits and transfers. Look for the option labeled Direct Deposit. When you tap on it, Cash App will provide you with your unique account number and routing number. These are issued by Cash App's partner banks, and they function just like traditional banking details. Once you have those numbers, you need to give them to your employer, payroll department, or benefits provider. Usually, they'll ask you to fill out a direct deposit form where you enter your Cash App account and routing number. After submitting the form, it can take 1 or 2 pay cycles before everything is fully active, so don't worry if your first paycheck still goes to your old account. Once direct deposit is enabled, your paycheck will automatically show up in your Cash App balance. From there, you can spend with your Cash Card, transfer funds to a bank, or even buy Bitcoin. It's simple, secure, and a great way to make the most out of Cash App. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.